Hey, it's John McBride with the Droning Company, and you know, there's so many fun things that we're seeing here at AUVSI 2024, but one of the more interesting things down at the end of the building, and it's okay that they tucked you away,
right.
But it's innovative, it's showing, it's ground root stuff here. You're starting from the beginning. So I'm here with Tad Dowse.
That's right.
And tell me a little bit about what you got going on. We're going to kind of walk along,
yeah,
I
you
know
bet.
you got a lot of stuff that
Yeah, we
everybody wants
have.
to see.
Yeah, so I run a 501c3 nonprofit organization that's really trying to make sure kids can continue to make things in schools. And two of our programs we have here, one of which is called Drones in School. And Drones in School, it's kind of designed around drone racing, but we layer in engineering, project management, graphic design, and video production.
Well, I stopped by one of it looks like a science fair to some degree.
Yes,
you know?
exactly.
I mean, it's kind of like they absolutely have put up their own designs and their own creations, and we have two warring teams, it looks like, from the same school.
Right, yes.
You know? So they're in the back here in the cage, battling out and doing their thing. So you're guiding them in the sense of how that kind of works, right?
Right. A lot of kids get into drone racing, think it's fun, right? But as an educator, I wanted to have more meat to it, more curriculum based around it. Because we want kids to use their passions, but also have them lead into a vocation or career path.
Sure.
And that's really what this is all about. So we have kids learning about project management. We have kids that made really Hollywood-style advertisements that they've done for their drone program. So it's pretty neat to see what they've done over the course of the year.
Well, I certainly came in the back here, and look, we're already drawing a huge crowd on whatever's going on here. So explain like one of these stations.
So this is our newest program. It's called Advanced Vertical Robotics, or AVR. And these are much larger drones, more of what you would see in commercial drones. And the teams actually have a variety of aircraft they're working with. So there's a small drone, there's a large drone, there's a rover that's a ground-based autonomous vehicle, and then they use little Sphero Minis. And then every year they get a scenario that they have to work through as a team, and then they come and compete with that. And that was actually started by Ron Olson from Bell Helicopter.
Ron. Yes. Yeah. Fantastic. So when we're kind of like just seeing how this innovation, this is going, I talked to one of your racers, one of your competitors, senior in high school. Seth, come on over here for a second. So here, you're right here in the middle. Come on, right here in the middle. So I know, you know, after kind of asking you a few questions, because you've designed and created, you made.
Yes.
And this path for you, what other interests do you have? You said you were in track and field and all that other stuff, but what else do you do?
So I'm in track and field.
Yeah.
I'm involved in National Honor Society at my school.
Of course you are. Of course he is.
I'm in a support organization called Supportive Peers. It helps special needs students kind of in my community. I'm also involved in the drone team at my school, kind of what this whole thing's about.
Yeah.
So what I do is I'm the marketing coordinator. So
doing a pretty good job on his marketing.
He is got a future, right?
I'm the marketing coordinator, so we don't get any funding from our school. So I have to go out to companies in the local area, kind of try and secure sponsorships for our team. We also do sponsorships, kind of fundraisers at like local restaurants like Chipotle, places like that. I also kind of help design the drone, kind of do testing too.
Sure. Are you a pretty good pilot?
I actually have never flown the drone. I have not flown the drone.
Okay, let's talk about that for 2 seconds. So I was saying earlier that I've been in this industry obviously for a very long time.
Yeah.
But it isn't so much the piloting side, but the guys that are going to be making the next frontier of is going to be you doing engineering, creation, whether it's mechanical, engineering, or electrical. Is that you guys are the ones that create the stuff.
Yes.
Then we have the pilots figuring it out. And I use this analogy a lot. You know, do you know the guy that went to the moon? First guy to step on the moon.
Yeah,
do you know who that
pretty
was?
famous guy, Neil Armstrong.
Yeah. Kind of
I've heard of him.
He had several thousands of views behind him, and everybody wants to be that guy.
That's right.
But not a lot of people want to be you, and that's what makes everything move.
That's
and
right.
makes it happen.
That's awesome.
So, I mean, I'm really excited to see this here. I can't believe this kind of a program is existing. It's fantastic. First time I've seen this at AUVSI. Yeah.
Yeah, we were here last year. Yeah, but we didn't have the AVR wasn't here. We just had the drone racing.
Just a simple drone racing.
Yeah.
So super fantastic. Seth, you're going somewhere, man. I really.
That's right. Yeah. Thank you so much.
And what was your college of choice?
I'm going to Purdue for engineering.
Nice.
Just Purdue.
Awesome.
Just
Congratulations.
Purdue.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. All right.
Hey,
Tad,
thanks for stopping in.
No, thank you so much. And like I said, it's so great talking about this with the droning company. These are already pilots that are out there flying, doing things, but this innovation and getting that start going, I think is absolutely amazing.
Yeah, we encourage them to go to our website, dronesinschool.com or theavr.org. And talk to your local high schools. If you're a drone pilot or a technician or an engineer and you'd like to see this stuff at your local school, talk to your superintendent, talk to your principals and say, hey, you guys should check this out, and you can help mentor your team as well.
What a great program. Again, honored to have talked to both of you. So again, appreciate it.
Thanks a lot,
Thanks
John.
so
Take
much.
care.
All right, thanks guys.